traffic makes me want to do sometimes? I tell you, sometimes it makes me want to go doo-dah, doo-dah. Gotcha. What's up, what's up? We are up here in Flagstaff, Arizona. Gorgeous up here top of the mountain, but by gosh, it does suck. As far as snow-wise, I have actually been up here and had snow in July before. It's up here on I-40, I believe. Yeah, I-40. So there's our good little old Arizona sign right there. But here's a big old dog arena dog food. Back when I first started trucking in 2004 with Stevens Transport out of Garland, Texas. Even though they claim they're Dallas, they're actually Garland. Kind of like I'm not directly in Atlanta. I'm on the outskirts of Atlanta, actually one county over from downtown Atlanta, but I claim Atlanta. Kind of the same thing. When I first started with Stevens Transport in 04, we used to load out of here a lot. We came here on several occasions. It is pretty up here. They've got some mountains. I mean, it's actually kind of nice up here. They have natural forest up here. So that's kind of cool. But it just sucks in the wintertime. I would not want to live up here because I don't like snow. I absolutely don't. But it is what it is. But yeah, we are rolling on to Phoenix. We're not that far from Phoenix, only 148 miles away from where I delivered at Phoenix. My butt will be there at 152. I decided, you know what? Let me pull over back towards, which I didn't realize I was that close to it. Really sucks. I wish you can get a truck there where there's a big meteorite or crater where a meteor hit. Let's see. I guess it's outside Winslow, Arizona. It's off I-7 or off I-40. But you can't get a freaking truck down there. There's no truck parking down there. So I'm like, well, that just kind of sucks. It's only like 5 miles off the interstate. Because I only saw the Meteor Crater Road, but I've never actually looked and seen, okay, well, is there a freaking crater? Well, I happened to zoom out of Google Maps and like, well, matter of fact, there is a crater down there. The Google reviews are actually pretty nice on that. I'm like, well, it'd been nice if I could have gone there, but not very tractor trailer friendly. I looked on the satellite image. It's a small, not a very big parking lot, and there is I didn't see the first tractor trailer there. I didn't even see a place where a tractor trailer could park, and it didn't look very tractor trailer friendly on trying to turn around to get back out of it. So I'm like, yeah, I'll pass. But yeah, we gonna get down here to Phoenix. Like I say, I'm only another 146 miles away. I'll get there. I'm gonna worry about trying to get in and crawl under the truck. I got an air leak somewhere, and everywhere where I've been, it has just been too loud with all the trucks having to idle and everything else. So you can't ever freaking hear anything. Well, since I'm going to be parked on the side of a road, which I'm going to stay at the receiver tonight, which happens to have just down from it is a dead-end cul-de-sac. And on a Sunday, so I figure, I know right directly next to it is Univar Chemicals, Univar Solutions, so I know nobody's going to be there. So I figure, you know where I'm at? It says they're closed on the weekend. I might actually have it nice and quiet there where I can crawl under the truck and maybe find the air leak. I usually try to keep brass couplings on my truck for airline, so in case one does, I can cut it and then put it is trucking now. We can't guarantee what it's going to be like, but we are going to try to see if we can find it while we got a chance. Oh, come on, people. I can't pass you. I'm only a mile and a half away from the exit. Ain't no need of me even trying. Gotta love it when the cars get on the interstate and spank the dog. It's different when a truck gets on the interstate. Well, you know, it takes a little bit to get to speed, but the cars can get their speed. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, G? But, ooh, let's raise it up a tad bit. You know, I had to kind of tilt this on so maybe you can see. So you can try to see around that little windshield suction cup mount on the windshield. And I personally don't think it's a good magnetic mount. I think it sucks in my opinion, but I used points. It was free. It looks like it's the one that Justin uses. I mean, come on, y'all. Really? We're slowing down to 40 miles an hour. Speed limit 65, and we're doing 40 now. We're 3/4 mile away from the exit. To get on I-17 headed south out of Flagstaff down to Phoenix. They want to slow down to freaking 40. Actually, slow down less than 40. Now we're trying to get our speed back up to 40. I need to get back on my Ativan. Yes, I used to be on Ativan for anxiety because of my pulmonary doctor. Because at one point I was going to I had my regular doctor, then I had a cardiologist and a pulmonary doctor because asthma and all that. He put me on Ativan and labeled me an anxious mess. Yeah, Okie dokie. Well, you know, it's what it is. If I'm an anxious mess, I'm an anxious mess. Most people with Tourette's do have anxiety issues. Guess I don't need my 4 eyes right now. My peepers. Oh, it's pretty out here. Looking at some of the hotels off right there. Some of the resorts. Yeah. I like it when they make them kind of match the landscape area with the kind of rock tones and the wood tones, colors, and the cobblestone bricks and things like that. Cobblestone and bricks. Had rain for it. But yes, I've noticed my anxiety is kicking up a lot more lately, so maybe I do need to get a hold of my new doctor where we moved to, which when I told him, you know, about my stuff, he really didn't seem to care because that was right when COVID hit. They made me check parking state in my vehicle, check in, and then they would call me when they were ready for me to come inside. And then I had to come inside the back door, do a temperature check and all that mess, have a mask on. They wait until they're ready to put you in a room, then you go straight into the room. Such BS. Such BS. But when I mentioned all the stuff and asked if they wanted to try to get my medical records from Brunswick for my cardiologist and all that, no, it's okay, we ain't worried about it. Okie dokie. So, didn't really seem interested in the medication I was on for Tourette's. Didn't even re-prescribe me the medicine that my cardiologist put me on. Because I'm supposed to be on aspirin and blood thinners because I have a PFO, which is a hole between the heart chambers. And if a blood clot was to go through the hole, basically, like she said, it goes straight to my brain and then I'm stroking out. Which is why I cannot take the vaccine, and I will not take the vaccine because of having that, because one of the side effects of the vaccine are blood clots. And my cardiologist is like, you need to be on blood thinners and everything else because if a blood clot comes, you're stroking out. Well, my doctor up here doesn't seem to be concerned because he didn't re-prescribe it. So, it is what it is, y'all. I might need to call and say, hey, look, man, you need to give me some freaking Ativan. Like, I was on it before. I need some Ativan. But, you know, because this road rage stuff, man, these drivers out here today, they make someone want to go postal. I understand why people get road rage. Y'all freaking four-wheelers out here just pulling out in front of trucks. Y'all just come like yesterday, you got the dump person in the pickup in the camper, and they just freaking stop. Oh, Texas, welcome to Texas. I need to take a picture of the sign. Let's slam on brakes and then move to the side and make the freaking pickup behind him have to slam on brakes, pull the trailer. Make the truck over there, I mean, he wants to swerve. If I had to swerve, like this. Anyway, y'all, they got my mind going, y'all. But anyway, we just hope everybody has had a good weekend. Y'all will catch my live feed tonight, or it'll actually be last night. I'm just gonna wait and put this out tomorrow. I ain't even gonna care. Since I'm doing a live feed tonight, why put this out there today? Let y'all just catch the live feed, you know what I'm saying? And y'all can have this little tidbit for tomorrow. And then come tomorrow, which will be Monday, which will be your actual today as you're watching this. Then I can work on maybe some of these other 2 videos I have trying to put together. And then we can put those out maybe Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah. That seems like a good plan, right? Right? That's the plan. Anyway, y'all, we hope y'all have a good, blessed weekend. Had a good, blessed weekend. Hope y'all enjoyed my live feed. Hope you caught my live feed. Hope you made sure that you hit smash on that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the bell, ding, 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 to get notifications when I'm live or when I have a new video come out. Anyway, y'all stay safe. Keep the shiny side up, the rubber side down. Give Jesus Christ all the glory for every good thing in your life. Even the bad things are there for a reason. We may not like the bad things, but they're there for a reason. They're teaching us, like he says, he'll never give us anything that we can't handle. We may not like it. We may be freaking out while we're going through it and asking why. But he knows why. We don't understand why, but he knows why. Anyway, y'all, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. And we are parked. We are here in Phoenix, Arizona. We got Thorbug here. He is looking at me. And why is he looking at me? Because, you know, I'm here. I unload at that building right there. Shipping is this driveway right here. Receiving is the other driveway. Just past that second trailer right there. Between the second and third trailer. On that side of the building. That's where receiving is for me tomorrow. But in the meantime, I'm here. I got my old trusty coveralls. It is time to crawl up underneath the truck down here and try to find my air leak. Yeah. So hopefully I can find it without getting too greasy and too dirty, because, you know, I just had my shower this morning, and as y'all can, there ain't no shower here. I don't have a shower in the back of my truck back there. I got Thorbug. Thorbug's a good cleaner, but I'm gonna be able to clean any grease off me, so I need to try to be very careful not to get too much grease on me. Not to get any grease if I can. But yeah, now it's time to work on this, and then we're gonna get ready for the live stream tonight. And yeah, we'll see what happens, y'all. Peace out.